Hello everybody, wanted to show off my Gabriel alarm clock. It's by Robershaw Control Company, Lux Time Division. Not sure the age of this. I don't think it's terribly old, maybe 50s, 60s, somewhere in there. Take a look at it from the turntable point of view. Finish is pretty well shot on it. I think it was supposed to be brass at one time, but it has that faux lacquer on it that's just painted on the chrome to give it the appearance of a brass finish, much like the bright brass for Hunter ceiling fans. Has to be wound up daily. Let's take a look at the control panel. Here's to wind the alarm. Here's to set the alarm. Here's to turn the alarm on and off. Here's to set the clock hands. And here's to wind the alarm clock. And there's the speed control for accuracy. So I can set the alarm here. It's got a handy dial to set the time. We'll set it for 8 o'clock. No, we'll set it for 7 o'clock. And then I'll go ahead and wind the clock up so you can hear it ticking. There it goes. And then I can wind the alarm. That's wound. Can pull out the alarm knob. And we can go ahead and run it up to 7 o'clock. See how close it is. Pretty close. Not real loud. And there it is. So this is my Gabriel by Robershaw Controls Company, Lux Time Division. Thank you for watching.